Hello, today I have this eye look for you. It isn't complete yet because of course I haven't done the lower lash line, but I've done the top part. It's very inspired, pretty much recreated the look that, I should have had it up, recreating the look that Makeup by Dani did on Instagram. She is stunning. She is a big-ish makeup account on Instagram. She follows me and she is a great supportive account. She does support me quite a lot. She likes my photos and stuff, so thanks Dani. But anyway, she was inspired by Mama Mitchell. If you don't know who Mitchell is, then again, amazing account. He has grown so much after going on Jeffree Star's channel, but he is a big influencer anyway. Let's sort out my hair. So she was inspired by him, I'm inspired by Dani. Go check them out, I'll leave both their Instagrams down below. So without further ado, I will get started. The first thing I'm going to use is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C0.5. I normally zoom in with my camera for this part, but I'm not going to. I'm maybe going to zoom in with my editing with iMovie because I always go out of frame when zooming in with my camera, which is not good. Okay, so I'm just going to blend that out with a brush and I'm going to use patting motions. Why has this got pink on it? This is quite an easy, simple look. Then I'm just going to fill the lower part of my eyebrow just to get a line. Okay, so for this look I'm going to use the Be Perfect Carnival palette. I'm going to be using the shade Funky and Wasted, which is the bright bubblegum pink and the purple. So I'm going to use Funky first. Literally only going to be using 2 shades on the lid. And I'm just going to blend that out a little bit with a fluffier brush. Okay, so then I'm going to use the purple shade, Wasted, and I'm just going to pop that on the outer part of my lid. 100 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's I'm not going to put too much purple on the outer corner because I don't want it to be too dark. I just want a hint of purple. So now I'm going to take a cotton bud and some makeup remover and I'm just going to get some of that pink off the lid because I don't want it going, I don't want the white going pinky. Okay, so then I'm going to use the same as the lid but in the shade white. The Revolution Conceal and Correct is called, in the shade C0 White. And I'm going to place that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use the Real Techniques Detailer brush.
I could swear that I'm fainting. I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead.
Okay, so now I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow in the shade Whipped Cream. It's just a white eyeshadow. I made this palette myself, just a random eyeshadow palette I made. Now I'm going to get that purple shade again and just place that where I had the white concealer. I'm also going to blend a bit of that purple in. So now I'm going to line the top lash line with the Soap & Glory Super Cat liquid liner in the shade Black. I'm not going to do anything fancy, I'm just going to line the top lash line. Okay, so the lashes we are going to use today, these have definitely become one of my favourite lash brands because the lashes are absolutely stunning. They are really nice and voluminous, very dramatic lashes, which I love, especially for my Instagram photos. But especially their packaging as well is absolutely stunning. It's probably my favourite packaging of all time. These are them here. They are, as you can see, rose gold kind of glitter inside, and then it has the white marble packaging, and it feels like a matte, soft matte material as well. So these are Eden lashes. I will obviously link them down below where you can buy them, and I'll obviously link their Instagram down below because they are an Instagram based brand, which is great. But I absolutely love their lashes. So these are in the style E03. I believe they have 10 or 11 lashes, but I have them all. I know they came out with E11, which is limited edition, I believe, but I have 10 of them and I love them all. But these are E03, which I think are gorgeous. So I'm just going to apply mascara and apply these, and I'll be back. And also I'm going to do my base makeup because I'm going to be reviewing the foundation, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face. I am now just going to do the rest of the makeup. So I'm going to first use this blue shade from the Carnival palette. It's the shade Sky, which is a nice blue shade by here. And I'm literally just going to take that from outer corner to inner corner on my lower lash line. But I want to really build up that blue. Okay, so then after that I'm going to add the Colourpop cream gel liner in the shade Prance in my waterline. It's just a nice baby blue. Okay, so for in the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Keen, which is this bright yellow shade by here. This one right here. And I'm going to try and build that as intense as I can in the inner corner. It's going to look stunning. Okay, so all I got to do now is apply lower lash mascara. Just using the L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll as per usual. Okay, so that is the finished eye look. I really hope I did Daddy justice, and also Mitchell as well. I really love recreating people's makeup looks just to see what other people can do, like myself. And I really hope this did it justice. I really love these bright, bold coloured eye looks. So if you enjoyed this video and you would love to see more of these types of videos, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.